Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be planning the week of November 4th to November 10th. This here is the kit that I'm going to be using. It's called Mulberry Harvest from Nikki +3 with the gold foil. It's so beautiful. Quick look at all of the stickers, some labels, habit trackers, bottom washi, and then I have a whole slew of stickers that I pulled that I may or may not be using, not 100% sure. I also have a lot of sticker books nearby, and then of course the tools that I need. So I'm going to start off by laying down the bottom washi, the date covers with the dates, and my sidebar, and then I'll probably place my full boxes and may or not place my full boxes, not 100% sure, and then I'll be back. All right, so I think that looks pretty good. What I have noticed that for her kits, she doesn't have too many headers outside of like today and to do. So what I was thinking about doing for this layout will probably have to be a little different, but we're going to make it. Let's lay down these boxes and then I can put a today or whatever where I need it to fit. Okay. So I can still technically put today at the top for each of them. And it'll just be like kind of cohesive. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use tweezers because it's so much easier. I think that looks cute. And it kind of breaks up the purple a little bit there. Okay. So I think now we can kind of go like a day by day thing. Okay guys, tune in for the next video. See you soon.